Hi writers, the purpose of this video is to show you how to add to a media album. This image with the 3 pictures means that this is a media album. Each time we have a media album, there will be a question or a prompt, and then there's information below with directions. So it says, think about what makes you happy. Add a photo of what makes you happy. Describe what's in your photo. If you don't want to use a photo, use an image from the internet. Please be school appropriate and no weapons. So each time that there's a media album, the prompt is going to be different. So today it's about what makes you happy. Tomorrow there'll be another question or prompt. So you click on to open the media album, and then you're going to go to add media. Your Chromebook is slightly different. You are going to be able to access Google Drive, and you're going to be able to access the photos that are on your Chromebook. My laptop is slightly different. So I go to attach files. I'm going to choose the image that I want. I'm choosing to do a photograph. Remember, you can choose to do something from the internet. And see how it says complete, so I click add media. It says you have successfully added one file. You can see them below, or add captions. So you can click here to add captions, or if you click on your image, and over here it says edit caption. So the purpose of this is for us to be able to get to see what makes each other happy. But then also as a teacher, I'm looking at your caption. I'm looking to see, are you writing in complete sentences? Are you capitalizing the first word of your sentence? Do you use punctuation? And are you doing your best to spell correctly? So even though this feels like maybe a social media post or a text to a friend, it's going to be different. I want you to be able to practice our capitalization, our usage, our punctuation, and our spelling. So for this, I'm going to, which I know you guys recognize, but this is my dog Boomer. I make sure to capitalize. So do you see I used capitalization, I capitalized Boomer's name, and I did punctuation, and then I do 2 spaces after, and then I'm going to explain why he makes me happy. He makes me happy. And once again, and see, look, let's see. Nope, he's not a smuggler. So I'm going to say this. He is great at snuggling. How's that? Okay, and then I used punctuation. So I've got capitalization, my sentence makes sense, and I used punctuation. Then I click save. To get back to, so then as people post, we're going to be able to look. And so I encourage you, I want you to look at least 3 where you see their image and then read their caption. So this will be available once more people have added media, then you will be able to click between previous and next. Once you have added your media and your caption, please take time to look at what others have posted.